and thank you so much for joining me for Lunchtime Look. My name is Sharon Rogers, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wells, Maine. And every Thursday at noon, I like to bring you a little creative inspiration. Now today, I think I have two items of inspiration for you. The first one is I'm going to share with you the Woodland Scenery add-on class cards that I had for my retreat participants. It uses one of the same sets that I used in Technique Tuesday's class. And then the second item of inspiration is how you can create shaker elements from adhesive-backed embellishments. It's not necessarily a quick process, but if you want some special embellishments, this is the way to do it. Enjoy. During Technique Tuesday's class, one of the shaker cards that I shared with you was this one. And the card base comes from the Christmas Greetings Mix and Match Specialty Cards and Envelopes. So the specialty part of the label means that it's got some foiling in it. And there are two patterns. There's a garden green plaid, and then there is a crumb cake plaid. Well, I wanted to show you, and I also used the Woodland Scenery stamp set on this card. And I wanted to show you the cards that we made at my retreat. This was an add-on class that participants could add on to their regular retreat event. And we've got this one, very simple, just 3 die-cut squares with 3 little elements from that stamp set. Gold embossed greeting to match some of the other gold elements. And then we had just this pecan pie scene. Everything's in pecan pie. And then we just added this sentiment, as well as the other sentiment, is from that Calm and Bright new Christmas kit that Stampin' Up! Is carrying. And then we've got this one, From Our House to Yours. Again, that's where this sentiment came from, that Calm and Bright kit, which is beautiful, by the way. And then we have this nice, sweet little Christmas card with the Everyday Arches. So here's another tip for you. I wanted to share with you something else based on the video from Technique Tuesday. Sometimes you might want to add a specific little element. Maybe it's sequins, or perhaps it is some peppermints. So if you remember, we have these little peppermints that are adhesive backed, real red and white peppermints. So suppose I wanted to add a few of these, not many. You'll see why in a minute. Well, they're adhesive backed, so they're not going to shake very well because they're going to stick. There are 2 things that you can do. One is you can peel it up and hope that the adhesive dot stays on the paper. There's one right here. But if not, you can just remove it. And then it slides around. It's not sticky anymore. If you want to really ensure that it's not sticky, you can run it over your embossing buddy. But really, I did take the dot off. But suppose you don't even want to take the dot off. You could just run your embossing buddy over this, powder it up a little bit, and that removes the stickiness as well. See, it still slides. So you can make your own. That's if you have a lot of time and a lot of patience. This is what one of the Stampin' Up! Designers loves to do. I don't know why she loves to do it, but she loves to do it. And she gets paid to do it, so I guess it makes it worth her time. But that's how you can take some specialty pieces and turn them into shaker elements. Another good shaker element, it's a little bit heavy. Oop, those are not what I'm talking about. And you wouldn't want a lot of these, but you've got the little tiny bee trinkets. Those would be fun little shaker elements as well. Those, you don't have to take the adhesive off because there isn't any adhesive on it. Anyway, so Lunchtime Look has a couple of things for you this lunchtime. Now get back to work.